What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to start a vlog or upgrade your gear, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 best vlogging cameras you can buy right now. We LLB counting down from number 5 all the way to my number 1 pick for the ultimate vlogging camera. I've gone through all the specs, tested the features, and I'm ready to share my findings. So, if you're ready to find your next camera, stick around. And hey, if you want to check out the latest prices for any of these stands, I've dropped all the links for you down in the description. Let's get into it. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Sony ZV-1F. This camera is a fantastic entry point into the world of vlogging. It packs a 20.1 megapixel 1-inch sensor and a fixed 20mm f2 wide-angle lens, which is perfect for capturing yourself and your set. You're getting crisp 4K video at 30 frames per second. And Sony's eye-tracking autofocus is on point, using 425 contrast detection points to keep you sharp. The 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen is a vlogger's best friend, making it super easy to frame your shots when you're recording yourself. For audio, it has a built-in directional 3-capsule mic and even comes with a windscreen, which is a lifesaver for cutting down wind noise when you're shooting outdoors. I also love the Face Priority A, which automatically brightens up your face, and the skin tone algorithms keep you looking natural. Plus, it has some really handy features, like a background defocus button for that blurry background look, and a product showcase setting, which is perfect for review channels. It even supports vertical video for your social media content. While it absolutely shines indoors, its outdoor performance can be a little tricky in harsh lighting. Still, for a compact, feature-packed camera to get you started, the ZV-1F is a solid choice. Coming in at number 4, we have a truly unique option, the DJI Pocket 2. What makes this camera stand out is its incredible 3-axis gimbal stabilization. This tiny camera produces unbelievably smooth footage, the kind you'd expect from a much bigger, more expensive setup. It shoots beautiful 4K video at 60 frames per second and can even do slow motion in 1080p at 240 frames per second. The sensor performs really well in good lighting, and for those of you who like to color grade your footage, the decennied profile gives you a lot of flexibility in post-production. One of its killer features is intelligent tracking. You can set it to follow you automatically, which is a game changer for solo creators who are always on the move. It also has versatile modes like time-lapse, motion-lapse, and hyperlapse to add some creative flair to your videos. There's a small touchscreen for quick adjustments, but you can also connect your smartphone for a larger display and more control. The biggest challenge for the Pocket 2 is in low light and high contrast scenes. But for its portability and unmatched stabilization, it's an amazing tool for any vlogger. Our number 3 spot goes to the Canon PowerShot V10. This camera was designed from the ground up, specifically for vlogging, and it features large stereo microphones and includes a wind filter, so you can get clear audio right out of the camera. It's built around a 1-inch sensor that shoots 4K video at 30 frames per second and has a 19mm fixed wide-angle lens. The 2-inch touchscreen flips up 180 degrees, making it perfect for framing your vlogs. It also has digital image stabilization to help smooth out your shots and face tracking autofocus to keep you in focus. One of the coolest things about the V10 is the built-in stand. You can just prop it up on any flat surface without needing a tripod, which is incredibly convenient. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can even live stream directly to YouTube or Facebook through the Canon Camera Connect app. A couple of things to note: the battery is non-removable and gives you about an hour of 4K recording, and it can sometimes overheat during long continuous takes. But for its all-in-one design and excellent audio, the PowerShot V10 is a fantastic, hassle-free vlogging solution. Alright, we're getting close to the top. Our runner-up, taking the number 2 spot, is the Sony Alpha ZV-1F. This camera is a powerhouse and a huge step up for those who want more creative control. Its biggest strengths are the fully articulated screen and Sony's best-in-class 425-point face and eye detection autofocus. It just locks onto you and doesn't let go. Inside, it has a large 24.2-megapixel APS-C sensor, which is what you'd find in bigger mirrorless cameras. This delivers stunning 4K video and allows for beautiful slow motion in full HD at 120 frames per second. What really sets the ZV-1F apart is its E-mount, which means you can swap out lenses. This opens up a whole world of creative possibilities, from wide-angle vlog shots to cinematic, blurry backgrounds with a prime lens. It has great vlogging-specific features like the background defocus button and a product showcase mode. For advanced users, it includes professional video profiles like S-Log2 and S-Log3 for maximum flexibility in color grading. While it can suffer from some rolling shutter with fast pans, its overall performance, lens versatility, and incredible autofocus make the ZV-1F an almost perfect vlogging camera. And here we are, at number 1. The best vlogging camera you can get right now, in my opinion, is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. DJI took everything that was great about the Pocket 2 and made it even better. The star of the show is, once again, the 3-axis gimbal stabilization, which gives you effortlessly smooth, professional-looking footage every single time. But the big upgrade is the new 1-inch CMOS sensor. This thing is a beast, capturing gorgeous 4000 video at up to 60 frames per second with 10-bit color depth for incredible image quality. The rotating tinge touchscreen is a genius design choice. With a simple twist, you can switch between horizontal and vertical shooting, making it perfect for creating content for both YouTube and TikTok or Instagram Reels. The autofocus is fantastic with Active Track 6.0, and the larger sensor means its low-light performance is a massive improvement. The battery life is also impressive, giving you nearly 2 hours of 4000 recording on a single charge. It supports advanced color profiles like D-Log-M, has excellent built-in mics, and offers a ton of creative modes. For its combination of portability, incredible stabilization, and outstanding video quality. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is the undisputed champion of vlogging cameras today. So, there you have it, my top 5 vlogging cameras for this year. From the beginner-friendly Sony ZV-1F to the all-powerful DJI Osmo Pocket 3. There's a great option here for every type of creator and every budget. I hope this breakdown helped you figure out which camera might be the right fit for you. Remember, all the links to check the current prices are down in the description below. If you have any questions or want to share which camera you're using, drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss any future videos. See you in the next one.